Hey everyone, welcome back to the Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and today, we're diving into the world of cutting-edge tech with a look at DJI's latest innovation, the DJI Dock 2. If you're a fan of DJI's impressive lineup of drones and accessories, you're going to want to stick around. The DJI Dock 2 promises to elevate your drone experience with enhanced features and capabilities designed for both professionals and enthusiasts alike. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about this exciting new product, from its design and functionality to its performance in real-world scenarios. If you want more information about this drone, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoy the review and subscribe to the channel for more tech insights and updates. Let's get started and see if the DJI Dock 2 lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the design. The DJI Dock 2 boasts a sleek, modern aesthetic, coupled with a robust build that instills confidence in its durability. Crafted to withstand various weather conditions, it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Its compact form factor packs a lot of functionality into a small footprint, making it an ideal choice for those with limited space. Whether you're setting it up on a rooftop or in a field, its sturdy construction ensures it remains steadfast in diverse environments. The core feature of the DJI Dock 2 is its automated charging and launching system. Imagine a world where your drone can autonomously take off, land, and recharge without any manual intervention. This feature is a game-changer for continuous operations. Whether you're conducting surveillance, inspections, or aerial photography, the automation provided by the DJI Dock 2 significantly enhances efficiency and productivity. The dock eliminates the downtime typically associated with manual drone operations, ensuring your drone is always ready for action. One of the key advantages of the DJI Dock 2 is its compatibility with a variety of DJI drones. This versatility allows you to use the dock with multiple drone models, making it a flexible solution for different needs and scenarios. The advanced sensors and GPS technology integrated into the dock ensure precise takeoffs and landings, even in challenging environments. This level of precision is crucial for applications requiring high accuracy, such as mapping and surveying. Safety is a paramount concern when it comes to automated drone operations, and the DJI Dock 2 excels in this area. It comes equipped with multiple fail-safes, including backup power and emergency stop functions. These features ensure the safety of both the drone and the dock, providing peace of mind during operations. The reliability of the DJI Dock 2's safety system is particularly important in high-stakes or remote scenarios where manual intervention may not be possible. Connectivity is another strong point of the DJI Dock 2. It offers multiple communication options, including LTE and Wi-Fi, ensuring you maintain a strong connection regardless of your location. This flexibility means you can control and monitor your drone operations from virtually anywhere, providing unparalleled convenience. Whether you're in a remote location or an urban area, the DJI Dock 2 keeps you connected and in control. Maintenance of the DJI Dock 2 is designed to be straightforward and hassle-free. It features self-check and diagnostic functions that alert you to any issues, allowing for proactive maintenance. The modular design of the dock's components makes repairs and replacements simple and efficient. This ease of maintenance ensures that your operations remain uninterrupted, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. Data security is crucial, and the DJI Dock 2 excels with robust encryption and secure data transmission. It ensures your data stays protected, which is vital for commercial users handling sensitive information. This security lets you focus on operations without worrying about breaches or unauthorized access. The DJI Dock 2 has wide-ranging applications across industries. In agriculture, it aids in crop monitoring and management. In security, it enhances surveillance with continuous monitoring and rapid response. For construction, it supports site inspections and progress tracking, increasing safety. Emergency teams can use it for quick deployment and real-time data in disaster areas. The DJI Dock 2 also sparks innovation. It can track wildlife and monitor environmental changes in the field. In media and entertainment, it captures stunning aerial footage for films and TV. The potential uses are extensive, driven by user creativity. In conclusion, The DJI Dock 2 is a remarkable piece of technology that pushes the boundaries of what's possible with drone operations. Its automated features, robust safety systems, versatile connectivity, and ease of maintenance make it an invaluable tool for both hobbyists and professionals alike. Whether you're looking to streamline your operations, enhance your capabilities, or explore new applications, the DJI Dock 2 offers the reliability and functionality needed to take your drone operations to the next level. And this is the review of DJI Dock 2. If you're interested in this drone, check out the link in the description below for more information. And if you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question or suggestion for our next comparison or review, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye and take care.